Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to customize all WooCommerce pages for free using tools already available in WordPress. No coding, no premium plugins. WooCommerce automatically creates a few essential pages like shop, product, cart, checkout, my account. Let's see how to edit and fully customize each of these step by step. First of all, make sure you are using a block-based theme like Astra or blocks. These are lightweight, fast, and give you full control over WooCommerce layouts. Here you can tweak settings for the shop, product, pages, checkout, and more, all live with previews. To edit the shop pages, to go to pages, then shop, then click edit. WooCommerce auto outputs products here, so you can't add blocks inside the product grid, but you can add content above or below it. For single product pages, use customizer. Then WooCommerce, then single product to change layout, gallery style, tabs, and more. For deeper customization, use block-based hooks via a plugin like Product Blocks for WooCommerce or WooBuilder Blocks, both free. Option 1. Using Gutenberg add-ons, install lib and go to plugins, then search cadence blocks or stackable. Use re, use reusable blocks, columns, and layouts to edit cart. To edit the cart or checkout pages, open them from pages, then cart, or checkout. You can add blocks around the WooCommerce shortcode like testimonials, banners, or touched bases. For even more flexibility, install WooCommerce Blocks, the official plugin. It adds powerful drag and drop blocks like featured, product, all products, and product categories. This work perfectly with Gutenberg. Go to pages and my account and edit it like others. You can add welcome messages, links, or information blocks before or after the account details. Add custom CSS if needed. For style tweaks like button color, font size, or spacing, go back to dashboard, then appearance from here, Then customize your theme and additional CSS. You can target WooCommerce classes like .woocommerce, cart, .woocommerce, checkout, or .product. And that's how you can customize all WooCommerce pages for free with no coding and no paid plugins. If this helped, if this helped you out, like, drop a comment and subscribe for more WordPress tips. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.